Hi, and welcome to Build Your Own 3D Printer issue 20. Quick look at the magazine. The usual web code there, which allows you to do some free designs. What about furniture? Are you sitting comfortably? The chair seems to be built out of jigsaw puzzles. All like a strange table there. More furniture there. New generation is throwing the rule book, throwing out the rule book. Space Oddity, push method, like that 3D design tutorial. Thinking small before embarking on a 3D printing project that requires a lot of fine surface detail. It's important to know your printer's limits as well level of detail it can produce. Jargon Buster. This is a bit to build. Russian Dolls Part 2, a chunky bracelet. Let's see, Russian Dolls. It's a chunky bracelet. Do not disturb sign. Key hook, hold your keys on. Get painting. Preparing and paint your model. And next week, issue 21, is the X-axis timing belt, which I believe goes on here. And if you look on part B, I've already done all I had to do this week was to fix this metal bit here and this darker metal bit, this silver bit and this bit here. So there was 4 screws, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is the that silver bit is the X-axis belt holder, and that bit there is the print head bracket and 4 screws or bolts, should I call them. So see you in part B. Thanks for watching part A. Bye.